in the topic. Yeah. So let's continue. So whatever we discussed in the previous session, okay. So we'll continue the discussion, guys. So in the last class, we started discussing about the server roles. Okay. So we are in the middle of the process admin. Okay. So what is meant by process? Whenever we connected or any user is connected to the SQL server, whenever he is trying to execute something, okay, even though using GUI, guys, even though you are doing anything using GUI, that also, for example, you want to keep the database offline. Okay, right click tasks. Okay, you'll select this as a take offline. So, as discussed earlier, it doesn't understand what is GUI. To bring the DB offline, there is a query. So, when I click on this take offline, automatically that query will run alter database name. Okay, set offline kind of query will run. So all the queries where it can run, guys, in a session. Okay. So the session will be allocated to your action and that will be executed under one session. Even though that you are doing any action using GUI or even though you are doing any action using query. Are you getting the point, guys? Even though you're doing any action using GUI, even though you're doing any action using query also, at the end of the day, every session, okay, will run. Okay, for your action, there will be a background session will run. In that background session, whatever is you're executing using GUI or using query, so those queries will run in the back end, guys. That's how it will work. So every work area, the piece of work will be done under one session. Are you getting the point, everyone? The piece of work will be done under one session. So for every session, there is an ID called SPID. Okay, why? Because we have to track, right? What is the status of the session, whether it is running or it's suspended or it is like in the background or it is executing or running, runnable, sleeping. So different sessions will be there. So that is the state of the transaction. That is the state of the transaction. When you run this, you can see here. Okay, background session. See, sometimes they will ask you what are the different states of any transaction. Background is your background sessions that will run to help SQL Server up and running. Sleeping sessions, running sessions, runnable sessions, okay, suspended sessions, executing. Okay, you can see different sessions. Okay, in the particular SQL Server, guys. It will run different sessions in the different states of the session. If you are executing one query, for example, you are inserting 1 million records. So you know that it won't be executed in a minute or in a second. Definitely it will take some time. It has to write 1 million records to the disk. So during that time, it will show you if it is taking 1 hour, if it is inserting data for 1 hour, that 1 hour, that particular state will show you like running. Are you getting the point, guys? For example, if if this guy, okay, who is that? That Smith. If Smith connected and if he is trying to execute something using some queries, okay, this is imagine where is that SSMS? This one, I guess. Yeah, Smith connected and he is inserting some records. So under 69, until the session, until the insert statements are running, it will show you like this 69 session is running and with the name of Smith. So that's how we can track each and every session, who is running, what queries they are running, what is the state of the transaction currently. Okay, how much CPU it is taking, how much memory it is taking from which program, whether they connected from SSMS or whether they connected from the any third party tools or any reporting tools or any applications from the application side they connected, everything we can see using this SP2, guys. So what is our role here? As a DBA will monitor the sessions. Some sessions will create the problems. Some sessions will consume lot of memory. Some sessions will consume lot of disk. Some sessions will consume lot of CPU. Some sessions will be like, it will be kind of hanged, suspended kind of thing. So users will request us, hey, please kill my session or please kill so and so session. On what basis we can kill? On what basis we can kill, guys? Either customers or users will request us to kill the session, or if each session is creating a problem, as a DBA, we can take the responsibility. We can ask the user, hey, Smith, your session is creating a lot of issues. It is consuming the resources. Can we please kill this session if it is not so important? If customer says, okay, you can go ahead and you can kill it, then we have to kill it, guys. So who can kill the session, guys? Who can kill the session?
DBA.
DBA.
System administrator.
Administrator. Apart from administrator, you can guess one more guy can kill the session. Apart from-
Process admin.
Very good. Process
Process
admin. Okay. See here what process admin is having. You can see here. Execute, you can see. Now you can see what kind of permissions he is having, guys.
Kill.
And head member.
Yes. Kill means now you know the meaning of kill, right? Now you got it right, guys. What is kill
Yeah.
now? Yeah. So kill means when there is an issue with any sessions, or wantedly if you want to kill one session, we will kill the sessions. But it's not so easy. You can go and kill it. Guys, for every transaction, there are different states. If you are inserting 1 million records, okay, at the end of 9,99,000, if you suddenly kill the statement, it has to roll back all the 9,99,000 statements. So don't think like kill is very simple statement. If you kill it, sometimes it will go to rollback state. Rollback state based on the transaction, it will run for days. So you should be very careful while killing the sessions, guys. Are you getting the point? Every session based on the particular process you are doing, every session will go to rollback state. If you are killing, why? Because rollback means what? It has to undo all the changes that has been done when it initiated the transaction. If it is inserting 1 million records at 9,99,000, if you just unknowingly you killed it, or some other user killed that one, all the 9,99,000 records has to be rolled back from the disk. Okay, so if it is taking 5 hours to insert those records, it might take more than 5 hours to roll back all the records. Is it clear, guys, everyone? Guys, is it clear?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
So that is how it will work. Now, with the example, yes, acid properties, atomicity, consistency, isolation, durability. For every Prashant, Prashant.
Actually, Shanmugh, it's my account. Maybe I forgot to rename it.
Oh, okay, fine.
Yeah.
Just rename it. Okay. Yeah.
Yes, I'll rename.
Yeah. So that's how it will work, guys. So every transaction has to follow the acid properties like atomicity. Means like very simple atomicity, consistency. Earlier we discussed just one line, consistency, isolation, durability. Means every transaction either it has to be successfully commit, or it has to be completely rollback. It's not like a partially successful, like when you are sending 10,000 rupees to me, either I have to get 10,000, which is a successful transaction, or I have to get 0, which is a failed transaction. It's not like 5,000 rupees, I'll get it, 5,000 rupees will be in your account. So before and after changes, the database name should be, the database should be same state. It should be in cleaned state. So these are the different things. So that's how it will work, guys. So process admin, a member of process admin can add another member into the process admin. That is one thing he can do. And he can also kill the... Yes, please.
When actually going forward sessions, you will show like how to kill the sessions and
now itself I'll show you. See, we are discussing these many things. Don't you think I'll not discuss how to kill the session and all, which is a very important activity? Don't worry, Radha.
Yeah. And that's what I thought.
No, that is very important. See, in case if I'm not going to discuss, I don't even start the topic also. So kill is very important, that we will do it regularly in the organization. Sometimes users will request us to kill the sessions and all. Right? So now you can see, guys, I'll show you how we can kill the sessions, but again, you have to keep in mind that the process and all, okay? You cannot directly blindly go ahead and you cannot kill the sessions. You have to follow the process before killing the sessions, guys, okay? Fine, now for example, if Smith is running something, okay? If Smith is running something in his particular, okay? Select star from sys processes, maybe something he's running, okay? To see the processes and all. So of course, he cannot see all the processes. He can see only, okay, his process. So now this is 55. Smith is actually having multiple sessions. This one session is 55, another session is 69. So now As a DBA, if we want to kill Smith session, what we can do, guys? As a DBA, if we want to kill Smith session, so first I have to check the sessions, okay, what and all sessions that are running. So now I can use this SP who2. Okay, guys, administrator is killing Smith session. Smith cannot kill his own session. Are you getting the point? So now if you go and see here, okay, now if you go and see here, you can see the login name here, okay, login name, the current state is 69. See, I can see 59, I can see 68, I can see. This is the first column, this is the session ID. You have to kill using this session ID, guys. And 69 also on his name. 3 sessions, not only 3, 55, 56. Okay, these are all different sessions on his name, guys. Okay, now if I want to kill Smith as an admin, I can kill it. No problem. Why? Because I'm a sysadmin. Okay, simply kill which session you want to kill. I can mention the session ID 55. I can simply kill it. As an admin, as a DB, I can kill it anyhow. But you should know the power of process admin, right? So what I'll do now, I'll do one thing. Let me go to logins and let me create one more login. Guys, be cautious while practicing. Don't delete sysadmin login. If you delete this sysadmin login, if you don't have sysadmin login, then it will be a trouble. Always practice by creating 2 new logins, whatever logins you want, but don't practice with the default logins, guys. If you miss that, it will create a problem. Okay, so now let's go with the Sampath account. Sampath, and I can give the password 123 tab 123. Okay, and force password policy. I'm not giving any kind of permissions to him. Let's see before giving the permissions. Okay, now Sampath is there, Smith is there. Sampath and Smith both are there. Now, anyhow, administrator can kill the session. Forget about the administrator. Sampath is not part of process admin. Sampath is not part of process admin. He is just part of a public default server role. Whereas Smith is also not part of process admin. Okay, you have to kill. Sampath is a DBA, Sampath has to kill, or Sampath is a process admin, he has to kill the Smith session. So now without adding Sampath into the process admin, I'm trying to kill, okay, the Smith session. Using Sampath account, I'll try to kill Smith session. Okay, so now connect, I'll connect as Sampath and password I'm giving. So it will ask to change the password as I'm connecting for the first time. CMPATH, right? CMPATH.
AMPAT.
Yeah. Only T,
T.
there is no H.
There is no
Yes, sir.
H.
Okay,
Only
thank you,
T.
thank you. Right, and click connect. And it will ask to change the password. I'm changing the password. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now Sampath is connected. Now if Sampath wants to kill other sessions, first what he should have, guys? Tell me. Sampath wants to kill Smith
Role.
session. Okay, so that
Process
is
admin.
process admin. Okay, that's true. But before that also he should be able to see all the sessions, right? He don't know which session he has to kill, but somehow he know, somewhere he saw and he's trying to kill 55. Okay, Sampath, this is Sampath session. Right click, new query, so Sampath session will open. Okay, Sampath session. So now Sampath, somehow he knows one session ID, he is trying to kill. He's just randomly trying. I'm not saying that, okay, he wantedly killing. He's just randomly trying whether any session is there or not with 655. Let me try, let me kill. So he cannot kill because user doesn't have permission to kill. Are you getting the point, guys? Sampath doesn't have permissions to kill. So now Sampath wants to kill. Sampath has to be part of the process admin. Now as an admin, I am giving process admin to him. Okay, only admin can give, or a member of process admin also can give. Clear, guys? Now Sampath is a member of process admin. Right, now let's go and try whether Sampath can kill or not. Earlier, before that, let me even show you what Sampath can see before adding him into the role. Let me show you what Sampath can see. Okay, guys, application permissions, generally permissions will be affected immediately. So no need to wait for 1 hour, 2 hour to replicate the permissions. Automatically when you give the permissions, you can see, okay, immediately it will be reflected. Okay, immediately the permissions will be reflected. See, Sampath cannot see all the sessions. Sampath can see his own session, which is 64. See, login name also his name only. But now it is clear. Sampath cannot see others session and Sampath cannot kill other session also. Now I am adding Sampath to the process admin role. Okay, click OK. Now Sampath is a process admin. Now can he see the sessions, guys? Tell me. Sampath can see the sessions now?
Yes.
Yes.
Right. Now
Yes.
he can see the sessions. Okay. So now when I execute, see, Sampath can see all the sessions. If Sampath wants to kill any session, he can take the session and he can kill it. If Sampath wants to kill 55 or kill 55 itself. Okay. Last time, okay, as discussed. Let's try. Last time we got the error. Sampath got the error last time. Now this time he is trying to kill again. See, command completed successfully. So you can see now. Now if you go and check the sessions, now you see here.
Sanmugh, what is SPID full form?
It's a kind of server process ID.
Server process. Okay.
So you can see, guys, now 55 is not there. 54, 57 you can see. So now Sampath can kill all the sessions, guys. Tell me. Can Sampath kill all the sessions? Tell me, guys, can Sampath kill all the sessions?
I think no, it shouldn't solve and
Type your answers in the chat, guys. Type your answers in the chat. Can Sampath kill all the sessions or not? Right. Okay. So I have a quick question for all of you. Okay, people are responded good that Swati says yes and Likita active sessions can't. Oh, active sessions he can't kill. Okay, very good point actually. So can he kill only sleeping sessions, guys? Can't he kill active session?
We can kill active
he
also.
can, but need to permission from other team.
Of course, that is the process that we will follow. That's not an issue. But can he kill an active session or only inactive sessions like sleeping, background? Background anyhow we cannot. Guys, remember background sessions we cannot kill. Okay, that is very important point. Background sessions we cannot kill. Right. Now tell me.
All the sessions
He can.
count.
Yeah,
Yes,
he
he
can.
can kill.
He can kill, right?
Yes.
He can kill all the sessions. He can kill. There is no like active sessions only or active sessions he can't kill. Other sessions only he can kill. Okay, so it's not like that. Okay, so Kirtesh, no excluding SA login. Sampath can kill the sessions remaining. Yes, expect default sessions. B yes. Becky no. And Harshankar yes. And Sampath yes. And Sanjeev no. And Shivam Dikshit no. And Kalyani yes he can. Now I have a quick question for all of you. Sampath and Smith. Okay, listen carefully. Sampath and Smith. Sampath, member of process admin. Smith is a member of sysadmin. Guys, listen carefully. Sampath is process admin. Smith is sysadmin. Is it clear, guys? Everyone. Sampath is a process admin.
Yes.
Smith is a sysadmin.
Yes.
Can Smith kill Sampath session or not? Can Smith kill Sampath session or not? Means sysadmin can kill process admin session or not? Type your answers in the
Yes,
chat.
yes.
Yes.
I need
Yeah.
answer. Type your answers in the chat. Type your answers in the chat. A sysadmin can kill process admin session or not? Type your answers in the chat quickly. I'm waiting for your answers, guys. Okay. So can Sampath, as a sysadmin, can kill process admin session, right? Kopi says yes, Becky yes, Radha yes, Kadir yes, and Tabasum yes, 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 sysadmin can kill. Kalyani yes, Likita yes, Mauni yes, Harishankar yes, yes, Kirtesh yes, Sharat Kumar yes, Swati yes, Shivam yes, Sanjeev, oh, very good, very good. Now, I'll ask the same question in another way. Can Sampath kill Smith? Sampath is a process admin. Smith is a sysadmin. Type your answers. Don't tell your answers. Sampath is a process admin. Smith is a sysadmin. Can Sampath kill sysadmin session or not? Guys, why guys? No response. Only two people are responded till now. Two, three people only responded till now. You can try. You can try.
I see 10 people responded, no, Shanmugh?
10 people responded, eh? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Okay. Fine. And okay, let's see that one. What about others, guys? Just try to respond. Just try. You can just try it. Okay. Yes or no, no problem, guys. No issues at all. Okay. So now let me check and okay. So let me go back. Sharat says no. And Tabasum, yes, I think as he is the member of process admin, he has privileges. Shivam Dikshit, yes, 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 yes. Skibli, 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 yes, yes, yes. Likita, no. Harishankar, yes. And B, no. Kalyani, yes. No, yes. Guys, okay, so the answer is yes, he can kill. A process admin can kill sysadmin session. Very good. Most of you said yes only. So whether like unknowingly you said yes or no, I don't know, but the answer is correct. A process admin can kill sysadmin also, even though sysadmin is higher than the process admin. But permissions wise, both are having kill permissions, guys. It's not like sysadmin kill is different, process admin kill is different. Are you getting the point? Both are having
you
same
said,
kill permission. Both are having same kill permission. So a process admin can kill the sysadmin session also. Okay, so the answer is this is an interview question actually. So a process admin can kill the sysadmin session also. Now is it clear, guys? How to see the sessions, how many sessions are there, what is the state of the sessions, how many states are there for every session, okay, and how can I list out the sessions, how to see from which application, what on what database, on what command they are running, okay, CPU, disk IO, program name, and how to kill a session, and what are the precautions that you have to take before killing the session. Is it clear, everyone?
Yeah.
Does Smith and Sampath can kill SA login sessions?
Sysadmin in the sense same, right? If anyone is having a doubt, you can try it. Okay, try to create 2 logins, or anyhow SA is a sysadmin. Okay, you can just try as a Sampath. Try to connect as a Sampath. Open a session from SA. Just check it. You'll get an idea.
Okay, okay.
Okay. Questions, guys?
Why can't we kill background sessions?
Background sessions. See, for example, very simple. Now, if your laptop is running, right? Okay, when your laptop is running, can you kill laptop related processes in the background from task manager? Tell me.
No, that will impact. Yeah,
Not forget about impact.
will
Forget
impact
about
on
impact.
system.
First of all, forget about the impact. So that's how, see, OS is also a software. OS is running means what? On behalf of OS, some processes will run right in the back end. Correct?
Yeah, yes.
How can you are able to kill those processes? If you are killing the processes, first of all, it is not going to allow you to kill it. But if you technically, if you think if it is possible, your OS will be down. If those processes are
Yes,
running,
yes.
then only your OS will be up and running smoothly. In the same way, to run the SQL server in the back end, some sessions it will use some sessions, right? So those are called background sessions. So that's why you cannot kill background sessions. And you cannot even try also. I mean to say, even though you try to kill, but it will see, I'll show you. Okay. Simply when I'm trying to kill any session, okay, let's try to kill something like 23, session 23. Okay, kill 23. Let's try. Actually, these things you have to check it during the practice. See, only user processes can be killed.
Okay.
Okay, so user processes will start from session ID 51 up to 50 background processes. From 51 onwards, user sessions. So 51 onwards, you can kill it. Okay.
Yes, sir. Okay.
Yeah. So that is all about your process admin, guys. That is all about your process admin. Now the other role is, let me go back to this. Now the other server role is, so I told you one shortcut. Can anyone tell me the shortcut to remember all the server roles?
BD square PS4.
Kalyani, we have already discussed what precautions we have to follow before killing the sessions and how to decide which session has to be killed. Everything we will discuss. We already discussed. Just go through it once. Yes, someone is saying something. BD square.
BD square.
Now tell me, just
PS4.
replace it and tell me all the roles. Can anyone try to remember all the roles, guys? BD square, PS4. Very good. B means?
May I?
Yeah, of course, Tabassum, of course.
Bulk admin,
Very good.
DB creator,
Hmm.
disk admin, process admin, security admin, server admin, setup admin, sys admin, and last public, which is not a fixed role.
Very good. Super, guys. Okay, nice. Try to remember in the same way. Sometimes in the interviews, they will ask you guys what are the server roles and all. So you have to, okay, you have to remember those server roles and all. So the next one is public, right? If you want to see what kind of permissions a public will have, let's go and check. No issues. Just drag and drop public. Okay, and you can see the permissions of public, all text. See what it is saying?
Public is not a non-fixed role.
Public is not a known fixed role. Okay, there are two types of roles again: fixed server role and application user roles. Okay, fixed means the permissions are fixed. Whatever roles you can see now. I have a quick question for all of you. Bulk admin, bulk insert, and add member to the role, right? Anyone asked Shanmukh, these two are fixed, or can I add any permission to this role, or can I remove any from the permission from this role? We have DB create around 8 permissions are there. Create database, drop database, restore log, rename database. Can I add extra one to permissions to that role, or can I remove the existing permissions from the 8 permissions?
No.
No.
Tell me guys, only one person is responding.
No, Shanmukh.
Okay, so you can see the answer on the screen itself. Fixed role. Fixed means the permissions are fixed. Whatever permissions are there to each role, those are fixed. If you don't like it, you cannot change those permissions. Those are fixed pakka. Okay, so that is all about your, that's why we'll call it as a fixed role. Public is not a fixed role. Public is just normal role where it doesn't have any permissions other than connect to SQL Server. Okay, so now let's go and try security admin. Now you can guess security admin, what kind of permissions he will have. You can guess it, guys. Security related to what? Security means now we discuss a lot of
Authentication,
authentication.
logins, credentials.
Yeah, very good. Main thing logins. Okay, very good. Now guess it, what kind of permissions a security admin will have. Guess it, guess it.
Password,
Hmm, 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 hmm. Password.
changing password,
Very
create.
good, very good. Next. Yes, you can try. Yeah, you're almost closer to the answer. Security related to the logins. Yes, you can try Tabsum. Good, good.
Permission, access permission.
Not exactly, but you can easily guess it.
He can't drop anything.
Not exactly. You can still guess it.
To manage the logins.
Adding and
Kalyani,
removing user.
very good. What is meant by managing logins? What is meant by managing logins? You can, yeah, you're almost close, Kalyani. Managing logins means what?
Create and
Very good.
modify.
Create logins, delete logins, modify logins, rename the logins, changing the passwords of the logins. Very good. Okay, let's go and see what kind of permissions are there. See, add member to security admin. You know that every role will have this add member to security admin. Grant, deny, revoke. Let's discuss what is grant, what is deny, what is revoke. Create database. See, add login. Okay, default DB, deny login, drop login, grant login. That's it. Just remember four. See, total 16 permissions are there. It's very difficult to remember 16 permissions, and even that interviewer also can't remember these 16 permissions. Security admin means mainly it will deals with the logins. So you can create a member of security admin can create the logins, can delete the logins, can rename the passwords. I mean to say that can rename the logins, can reset the passwords of the logins. But you can just remember these things. Okay, other things like he can grant CSP password, help logins, he can see remote option, lot of other things also there, but no need to remember all those things. He can even see the read error log. He can even see the error log also. See, for example, if you go to Smith session, if you expand Smith session, where I can see the error log, guys, in the management.
SQL Server error logs below.
Yes. Right, you can see here. Okay, when you expand the management, you can see SQL Server logs, guys. Everything will be logged inside this. If anyone is asking a user wants to see the error log. Where to see? Let me show you how the error log look like. SQL Server error log. If something happened from the SQL Server side, where to check? From SQL Server. SQL Server is an application. It will also have its own error log. It will maintain the log. If something happened, where to check, guys? Go to SQL Server. Go to management folder. You can see SQL Server logs. Double C. You can see around one current error log, remaining 6 archive logs. Okay, current error log means since last reboot, you can see all the errors in the current error log. Since last reboot, you can see all the errors in the current error log. Okay, if you double click on it, you can see. Last time we even got, see, let me try to connect. Okay, click connect and let me try connecting using SQL authentication. Instead of Smith, I'll give simply another H. We know that there is no such kind of login. Can he connect, guys? Right? He cannot connect, right?
No.
Let's try to connect.
No.
What error we will get it? When he is trying to connect, what error we will get it? Login failed, which is 18456.
Login failed.
Okay, 18456. Now let's go and check the reason why he is not able to connect. Now Smith come back to us. Hey DBA team, I'm unable to connect to the SQL server. Can you please help me? Now as a DBA, you will open the current log and you will check it why Smith is not able to connect. See here, first entry itself, login failed for the user Smith. What is the reason? What is the reason?
Name is not matching.
Not find a login matching name the provided. Okay, the name provided. Okay, if Smith is giving wrong password, he forgot the password. Okay, now let me try using Smith. I'm giving the same. Let me try with the password first. Now let me get it. Okay, so now again go to the same error log and now just refresh it. Okay, just refresh it. This is the refresh button. See now what error you got.
Password didn't match.
Password did not match for the login. It means you can see whether it is because of the login issue or it is because of the password issue. Everything you can track it using this error log. Not only logins, okay, everything you can track. What is like when you are running something, what's exactly happening in the background, you can track. Okay, see here, I told you, right? You can even see if you go down and you can see what processes are their background. Okay, how it is allocating a process. It is checking the system requirements and all. Okay, the system manufacturer and all. It is checking what kind of authentication it is. Okay, it is just checking the error logs and all. Now see, if you go and see the error, I mean to say this log, you can see what exactly happening in the backend. You cannot understand all the things, guys, but at least, okay, these are two like internals. Like when you are like two very basic internals and all these are, we cannot understand few of the things, but yes, you can try to like check it. See, starting master database. Okay, you can see here starting master database, and then somewhere you can see resource database, it will show. See, starting resource, wife and husband. Okay, you can see here. So like that, somewhere in the middle, all will start at a time. Sometimes you can see a slight difference will be there. So that's how you can see, guys. So this is the error log. If something happened from the SQL server side, if users are not able to connect, okay, the first thing that you have to see is not only login issues. Okay, not only login issues, you can see the other issues also, SQL server related issues. First, you have to check the SQL server error log only. So a member of sysadmin can see the error log. Other than a member of sysadmin, who can see the error log, guys?
Security admin.
Very good. Okay, a member of security admin also can see the error log. Okay, now when you go and see here, Smith cannot see actually. Okay, this is the Smith account, right? See, when you refresh it, when you click plus symbol, you cannot see. He cannot see it. Okay, so now if we add him into the security admin, so he can see. And see here, security admin cannot see other logins other than his login and SA login. Okay, other than his login and SA login. SA is the default login, Smith is his own login. So he cannot see other logins because he's not part of the security admin. If he is part of the security admin, he can see other logins. He can create new logins. Let's try to create a new login using Smith account. Let's see. Okay, let's give the name. Let's try with maybe Sharath. Okay, Sharath. Trying to give the password.
Shanmugh, try with female names, no?
Female names, huh? Okay, no issues. Okay, let's go with Likita. Okay, oh, yeah, not here. Okay, Likita. Okay, and okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, now let's try whether Smith can create a Likita login or not. Okay, can he create, guys? Can he create?
No.
He cannot
No.
create, right?
No.
Now when I click OK, immediately user doesn't have permission to perform this action. Okay, so that's how it will be, guys. Now let me directly add him. Let me go to the administrator connection. Don't get confused here. Shanmukh, you are doing everything as the same SSMS. Yes, this is administrator SSMS, that is user SSMS. The perspective will be different. Okay, so permissions also is different. Now, very simple. Go to that particular login, double click on the login, and double click, double click, double click. Okay, where is that login? Smith, yeah, Smith. Double click on the Smith login and the server roles, and then see is guys. One more thing I want to tell you: don't practice multiple roles at a time. Practice one role. Otherwise, you don't know because of which role it is impacting. Okay, now I am removing the role from DB creator. I am removing Smith from DB creator. Again, I'll add him into the security admin. Okay, go to server roles, and this time I'm going to add him into the security admin. Click OK. Then earlier he cannot see the other logins. First thing, see Smith. He cannot see other logins. First thing, earlier he cannot create the logins. Second thing, earlier he cannot see the error logs. Third thing, let's try now whether it is going to be updated or not. Refresh it. Now expand security, expand the login. See, he can see other logins. Earlier he cannot create the new login. Now let's try whether he can able to create or not. Okay, SQL authentication. We'll try with the same name. Okay, so Likita. 1, 2, 3 tab. 1, 2, 3. Okay, earlier he cannot create. Right now, can he create, guys? Can he create now?
Yes,
Yes.
yes,
Yes, yes.
Yes.
Right, he can able to create. Right now, let's go and check whether he can able to see the error logs or not. Management, SQL Server logs. See, earlier he cannot see the error logs. When I click on plus symbol, it's just showing blank. Now you can see here. Okay, all the error logs, guys. Now is it clear? Security admin, guys, everyone.
yes.
Yeah.
Now I have a quick question for all of you. Okay, same kind of process admin question. Of course, a sysadmin can kill process security admins. I mean to say, a sysadmin can delete security admin login, right? Correct? Smith,
Yes.
Sampath. Let's go with the same. Smith is a sysadmin. Sampath is a security admin. Smith, sysadmin. Sampath, security admin. Can Smith delete Sampath or not? A sysadmin can delete security admin login or not?
Yes.
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 Very good. Now reverse. A security admin
Yes.
can delete sysadmin or not? Now
Yes,
Yes.
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 you can tell me, guys.
Yes.
You cannot directly blindly, you cannot tell yes, but
Yeah.
think and tell me. Okay, there might be a logic.
Actually, Shamukh, sysadmin also provide the rights to the security admin.
Of course.
Okay.
Yes.
So security admin have that right which sysadmin already that is the reason.
Okay, that is the reason he cannot kill. He cannot delete.
No, he can delete.
Okay, fine. Okay, so the answer is yes, he can delete. At that, see, you have to see the permission at the end of the day. What a sysadmin is having permission to delete the login. The same permissions even a security admin also will have to delete the logins. Logins wise, again I am saying, not all the permissions of sysadmin will have same kind of permissions as a security admin. Logins related, what a sysadmin is having, the same kind of permissions a security admin also will have. So both cases are possible. A security admin can delete sysadmin login. A sysadmin login can delete security admin login, guys. Clear?
Yeah.
Right. Okay. So now let's go to the next role, guys. So after security, these two roles generally we don't use it. We never used also till now. After that, you will have server admin. Server admin is having very powerful permission, guys. Okay, member of server admin can shut down the SQL server actually, and he can also configure the SQL server, guys. A member of server admin can also configure the SQL server configurations. So what is this configure? Let me show you guys. Okay, for example, in SQL server side, if you want to change any of the configurations, you can either change using GUI like this. Okay, I want to set minimum memory. For example, I want to set as 1000 MB or 512 MB. I can set it. Okay, 512 MB like that. I can set it and I can click OK. Guys, I'll explain about the memory configurations and all. Don't worry. Okay, 512 MB. I can click OK. Right, like that. If you want to do any other changes, okay, advanced section, if you go and check, if you want to change some of the values here, max, degree of parallelism, cost, these are different values. The meaning, what it will do, what is the functionality, everything will be discussed in the performance. Means if you want to, for example, go to database settings. So you want to enable backup compression. Okay. When you take the backup, it has to take the backups with the compression. If you want to enable, you will select compress backup, and if you click OK, automatically. This is GUI way of changing the configurations. So to do that, we have even query also. We even have a query also. That query is called sp underscore configure. What is that, guys? sp underscore configure. Using the stored procedure, I can, whatever I am able to change using GUI, the same thing I can achieve using this query sp configure also. So let's see what we can see under sp configure. Total how many permissions? These are all not permissions. Remember, not permissions. These are the settings. Okay, why? Because why we are discussing this means, if you go and see server admin, see there is a permission called sp configure, and sometimes we will use sp configure to change the server configuration. So you should know, right, what is sp configure, what is reconfigure, you should know, right? So that's why I'm explaining. Sp configure is a stored procedure, default stored procedure, which will help you to change the server level configurations. For now, whatever you can see 25, these are all the server level configurations. You can change these 25 configurations using the command sp configure, guys. Any questions so far? Any questions so far? Okay, now see here. If you go and see, actually there are a lot of configurations, but you can see only 25. I want to see all the configurations. Now just keep an eye on all these configurations. Tell me which configuration will help you, okay, to see all the configurations, guys. Which configuration will help you to see all the configurations? Keep an eye on all the configurations, guys. Just quickly keep an eye, and I'll scroll down, or else I'll just lift it up. Right. Okay, now tell me which configuration will help you to see all the configurations. You can see, just keep an eye, you can easily
Advanced
get the
options.
answer.
Advanced
24.
options.
Tell me, guys.
I think advanced options.
Okay, fine. Okay, so now see here. Okay, show advanced options. This is one configuration. You can see the first column as minimum value. Minimum means what? What is the meaning of minimum value? Disabled value. If you want to disable, you have to use this minimum value, 0. If you want to enable, which value you have to use? 1.
Max.
What is the configuration value? Currently, with what value it is configured, which is 0. 0 means what? 0 means what?
Not enable.
Disabled.
Minimum.
Very good.
Disabled.
Yeah.
Disabled.
Not enabled,
Disabled.
disabled. Okay. Configuration value is different, run value is different. Configuration value means, see some of the settings, for example, in the morning session, we discussed about the authentication. Authentication, you changed the authentication, but still you are not able to connect. Why? You changed it from Windows to mixed mode authentication. After that also you are not able to connect. What is the reason?
Settings level, it was
Of
not
course,
available.
that is
Authentication.
enabled. That is enabled. See, I have enabled the Windows mixed mode authentication, and I tried again, it was failed. And again we did one thing.
Restart.
Restarted means
Started.
when you enable it, automatically it was not affected. When it will affect? When you restart the server. Correct? Means up to restart, it is just configured, right? It is not running with the setting. Are you getting the point?
Yeah.
Correct? So here also, once you configured, it will be changed. But to enable it completely, to apply this setting, you have to run a reconfigure statement. So once you run reconfigure, then only it will be, the run value will be changed to 1. Means then only it will be completely applied. So now you got it, guys. Minimum means disabled, maximum means enabled, configuration means currently with what value it was configured, run means currently with what value it is running currently. Clear now? Now let's try with the same setting itself. Let's try to enable this. So now tell me the query to enable this, guys. sp configure space, okay, keep it in single quotes as it is having spaces in the setting. Now to enable, which value I have to give, guys? Comma, which value I have to give?
1.
1.
Very good. Okay.
Well,
Now you see here 0 disabled, 1 enabled. You know that means you can see exam pass marks. Okay. I mean to say, if it is less than 25 marks or 30 marks, failed. More than 30 marks, passed. So 0 means disabled, 1 means enabled. Now currently 0 0 it is showing, means currently the setting is not enabled. Now I am enabling the setting, alt X. See, configuration option, show advanced options changed from 0 to 1. What it is saying, guys? What it is saying?
Run reconfigure statement to install.
And means now if you see here, you can only see. Now tell me, guys, what I can see now when I execute this. What I can see, first show advanced options. Minimum 0 it will show you, maximum 1 it will show you. After that, configure value, how much it will show you, and run value, how much it will show you. Guess it.
1 0.
Very good. Very good. Okay. So if you go and check now, see here. Means it was configured. It was not completely installed. To install completely, that's it. You have to run reconfigure. Reconfigure is not equals to restart. Okay, just to enable the setting completely, you have to reconfigure it. Now if I run again sp configure, earlier how many configurations I can see, guys, earlier? Anyone remember how many configurations I can see earlier?
25.
25.
25, right? Now if I execute, how many configurations?
83.
83 now.
Now you know that sp configure is completely, 1 minute, please don't mind. Hello? 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 Guys, earlier, even though I have enabled, I can still see 25 if you remember. Now when I reconfigure, it was completely applied, and then I can see all the advanced options. Now if you go and see show advanced options, see here, both configure value and run value will be 1 and 1. PQRS, show advanced options. See, now you know the difference between configure value, run value, SP configure. Clear, guys, everyone? Kind of confusion I can understand, just practice it. It is easy, it is very easy. Sometimes we'll use sp configure command. So a member of server admin can change the server level configurations, and he can also shut down the SQL server. He can also shut down the SQL server. Okay, he can also shut down. Very powerful, very powerful permission. Generally, it is not good to give the SP server admin, I mean to say server admin permissions. So if you give server admin permissions, he can even shut down the SQL server also. Clear, guys? Are we good?
Sure.
Yeah.
In how many ways we can shut down the SQL server?
By using query or
Yeah.
by GUI.
You can shut down from services.msc. You can shut down using command.
Yes.
Okay. You can even net start, net stop. Last time we discussed it, right? Net stop will help you to shut down the service. You can even run shutdown command here in the management studio. Shutdown command will help you to shut down the SQL server. Now, when I click on shutdown, definitely the SQL server will be shut down, guys. Now, tell me, guess the query to start the SQL server, guys. I'll give you a prize if you tell the correct answer. Guess a SQL query to start the SQL server. Guess it. Seriously, I'll give you a gift if you guess it properly. Tell anything, tell any query, no problem. Okay, just
Start.
guess it. Start. Very good. Next, others. What about others, guys?
Net start.
Get start. Get set, go.
Net start.
Net start. Net start is command level command, okay? Not command prompt. In the SSMS, I
Restart
want
service.
restart. Net start
Service.
tabasum, that is a command level I want. See how I ran shutdown in the SSMS query window. Like the same kind of query. So net start will only work in the command prompt. It will not work in the SSMS.
Restart service and service
Restart
name.
service and service name. Okay, good, Kalyani. Next,
Start service.
start
Name.
service name. Very good. Next,
But Shanmugh, if the server is down, so how
Hmm,
the
very good,
SQL query will run?
very good. I want this answer, Kirtish. Good, really good. Now, guys, is it clear? When I can run these sessions? Tell me. When I can run these sessions? When I can open a query window? When I can execute something? When SQL server is up and running, right? If SQL
Yes.
server is stopped, how can I run any query, even though it is a start or restart or net start or boot start? When I can run? If the SQL server itself is not started, is it going to accept to run queries in the query window?
No.
Guys, is it clear? Good,
Yes.
Kirtish.
Yes.
Good point. Okay, so that's why I just want to check whether like you are simply thinking about the query, but no one is thinking whether it is possible or not to start from the SSMS. Okay, there is no command to start the SQL server from SSMS. To shut down, it will accept the query, so yes, but to start, there is no command. You have to start using your command prompt or right click, start, restart, stop. So that's how it is going to be, guys. Clear now? So a member of server admin can configure the server level configurations. He can shut down the SQL server. He can run SP configure. He can run reconfigure. So all these things he can do, guys. So very powerful role. So no one will ask you guys, only except sysadmin, no one will ask the other roles. But you have to remember the power of a server admin also. Right. So the next role is security setup admin. Setup admin will help you for the linked servers and all. So as of now, we don't know what is linked server and all. So you can just leave it, guys. You can linked server is an object which will help you to link between two database servers. Linked server is an object which will help you to link between two database servers. You can see under server objects, guys. Server objects. Okay. There you can see linked servers. So it will help you to link between two database servers. SQL to SQL, SQL to Oracle, whatever you want, you can link between two database servers. You can link between two database servers using linked server. That name itself is saying linked server, link. It will link two database servers. It can link to SQL servers, one SQL server to another SQL server it can link. It can link from SQL to Oracle. You can even use link between SQL to Oracle, Oracle to SQL. So using this, we can create a linked server and all. You can give the linked server name. And if it is other database source, you have to give the product name, data source, string, connection string will be there. And security side, you have to provide a password, okay? Be made using a current security context or be made using a current, I mean to say this one. You have to give the password and also that is how a linked server will work. So the setup admin.
You want to get the data from other server,
Yes. To get the data from other server.
to read the data like Power
Correct.
BI we used like that.
Not
Okay.
Power BI. Yeah, true. Power BI will how it is reading the data from other database in the backend in the same way. To link between two database servers, you can use a linked server. Right? So now if you are a member of setup admin, of course you can add member to setup admin. You can add, drop, configure linked servers. You can create linked servers. You can delete the linked servers. You can configure the linked servers. And mark a stored procedure as startup. Okay, so this and all different. We don't use it. You can just leave it for now, and that will be discussed, guys. So now the last role is sysadmin. You can guess it what a sysadmin can do. Whatever we discuss it now. Yes, please.
Everything.
Everything.
Okay, so he can do everything. Whatever we discuss it till now, all the permissions of all the roles will be equals to sysadmin. Okay, now if you see here, you can see total how many permissions are there, guys? 121 permissions.
121.
See, whatever we have seen till now, you can see all those things. Add extended procedures, add member to bulk admin, add member to DB creator, disk admin. Normally, the other roles can add only to that particular role, but sysadmin can add you to any of the role. Add member to process admin, security admin, setup admin, okay, server admin, sysadmin, and DB access admin. Okay, you can see alter database, backup database. If you remember, under which role we can see this alter database, backup log, guys?
DB create.
DB creator,
DB
very good.
create.
Bulk insert under which one?
Bulk admin.
Very good.
Bulk admin.
Create database, DB creator. Okay, you can see
DB creator.
lot of things. Run reconfigure, kill,
Secure.
Security admin.
Security.
Kill process admin.
shutdown. Someone said security admin, not security admin.
Server admin.
Server admin.
Okay,
Server admin.
server admin. Right, so like whatever we have seen till now, everything you can see here, guys. Okay, so sysadmin, guys, no one can deny the sysadmin. Sysadmin is the king of the SQL server. No one can stop you. No one can block sysadmin. Clear?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, guys. So now you can take a break, come back after 15 minutes, and we can continue the discussion. Right. Okay. Let me stop the recording.